Innovative mobility concepts shaping tomorrow's travel step into the future of mobility, where innovation takes flight. From life-saving drones to futuristic eVTOLs, these vehicles are revolutionizing transportation. Join us as we explore the groundbreaking machines redefining travel. Movin'On. Look around in traffic. Most cars you see likely have just one or two people in them. Now imagine this. One bus can replace 155 cars. But owning a car is often seen as a status symbol, a way to say, I can afford to avoid public transportation. What if riding a bus could be just as prestigious? This idea inspired designer Marko Petrovic during the Movin'On challenge. Collaborating with the V.MO design team, he created a futuristic solution, a 6-seater electric capsule. This capsule runs on solar panels and operates on fixed routes like a bus. But it's compact, efficient, and sleek. Now imagine luxury brands like Audi or BMW producing these capsules. They could transform public transportation into a high-status experience. These brands could not only boost their popularity but also win contracts to bring these capsules to cities worldwide. Movin'On isn't just about transportation, it's about redefining how we see mobility in the modern world. V.MO eVTOL. Introducing the V.MO eVTOL, an innovative electric aircraft developed by Volkswagen Group China. This groundbreaking vehicle redefines modern travel with its vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. The V.MO features a unique X-wing design. It has 8 rotors for vertical lift and 2 propellers for horizontal flight. This configuration is known as the lift plus cruise design. Currently, the prototype is impressive in size, measuring over 11 meters in length. Volkswagen envisions the final version as fully electric and autonomous. It will be capable of carrying 4 passengers along with their luggage. The V.MO is designed for journeys up to 200 kilometers, or about 124 miles, on a single charge. It will cruise at a speed of 200 kilometers per hour. Volkswagen has also focused on flexibility. The aircraft will offer 2 options: manual piloting for those who prefer control or a fully autonomous mode for effortless travel. With its sustainable design and advanced technology, the V.MO eVTOL is set to revolutionize the future of urban air mobility. Ferox Azaris. The Ferox Azaris is a groundbreaking 6-wheeled off-road vehicle. It's designed to push the limits of mobility with advanced propulsion technology. One of its most unique features is its fluid drive system. This system powers the rear wheels, giving the Azaris unmatched maneuverability and adaptability on challenging terrains. The vehicle combines electric motors with hydraulic actuators. This combination allows precise control of each wheel's movement. As a result, it offers superior traction even on uneven or rough surfaces. The Azaris is built with a lightweight design and a modular structure. This makes it highly versatile, whether for adventurous explorations or utility tasks. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a bold step forward in reimagining how machines interact with rugged environments. The Azaris has potential applications in fields like defense, agriculture, and exploration. With its futuristic design and innovative features, the Ferox Azaris redefines off-road mobility for a new era. BMW Icon. The future of luxury eco-friendly boating. The BMW Icon is a stunning example of eco-friendly luxury in the world of boating. This super boat was developed in collaboration with a startup, Tide, to showcase advanced technology. Measuring 13.5 meters long, the BMW Icon features a hydrofoil design, which increases efficiency by up to 80% compared to traditional hulls. Powered by 2 100 kilowatts electric motors and 6 BMW Y3 batteries, it can travel up to 50 nautical miles at a top speed of 30 knots. Inside, the boat offers a modern, high-tech experience. It includes a voice-activated system and a 32-inch 6K resolution touchscreen digital control panel, inspired by BMW's iDrive system. The cabin is designed for comfort, with unique origami-style furnishings, high headroom, and 2 separate seating areas. At night, LED lights outline the sleek, 2-tone exterior of the boat, inspired by the sea. The BMW Icon is the perfect blend of elegance, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology. It's the ideal choice for those seeking the ultimate in luxury boating. Airtrick A1 Ultra. The Airtrick A1 Ultra is a game-changer in the world of electric skates. With its eye-catching yellow frame and upgraded hardware, it stands out in both style and performance. This model includes a super upgrade pack, featuring a powerful supercharger that cuts charging time to just 1 hour. It also comes with additional accessories to enhance your skating experience. At its core are two patented 180W hub motors. These compact motors deliver impressive power, making every ride smooth and dynamic. The quick strap design allows you to put them on or take them off in just 5 seconds, no need to remove your shoes. This adds convenience without compromising functionality. The A1 Ultra features a one-piece aluminum frame. It's lightweight yet sturdy, designed to handle the impact of jumps with ease. The frame also comes with replaceable decals, allowing for customization to match your style. Enhanced maneuverability ensures a smooth and controlled ride, making the A1 Ultra an exceptional choice for both beginners and pros. If you're looking for a unique, powerful, and functional electric skate experience, the Airtrick A1 Ultra delivers on all fronts. Botnono. Meet Botnono, a cutting-edge companion robot designed to transform how we interact with technology. Powered by ChatGPT 4.0, this innovative device combines intelligence, versatility, and convenience. Botnono is equipped with advanced face recognition and voice interaction features. It can recognize you instantly and respond to your commands naturally. Whether it's controlling your smart home devices or providing helpful information, Botnono seamlessly integrates into your daily life. One of its standout features is its ability to engage in meaningful conversations. Ask questions, get answers, or simply enjoy a chat. Botnono can even help you stay organized by managing schedules and setting reminders. Its compact and portable design ensures it fits perfectly into any space. It can move independently around your home, offering assistance and companionship wherever you are. Whether you're looking for entertainment, information, or practical help, Botnono is always ready to deliver a personalized and interactive experience. Step into the future with Botnono, your intelligent and reliable robotic companion. Climb E. Imagine a vehicle that combines the functionality of an elevator with the mobility of a bus. That's the idea behind Climb E, showcased at the Consumer Electronics Show in the US. Here's how it works. Pods seamlessly move between floors, just like an elevator. On the ground, these pods connect to a special base, allowing them to travel like a bus. The design isn't just futuristic, it's practical. Passengers inside are entertained with useful information during their journey. Meanwhile, pedestrians are kept safe, as the vehicle projects a crossing in front of them when needed. The creators believe Climb E is both visionary and realistic, offering a glimpse into the future of urban transportation. It's a solution designed to enhance convenience for passengers while prioritizing safety for everyone on the road. Invisible Weird Bike. Imagine a bike so unique it appears invisible. On the screen, you're witnessing an incredible creation by a specialist from Hong Kong. With patience, skill, and determination, he crafted a transparent bike, down to the chain itself. This remarkable invention isn't just a display of engineering but also creativity. While assembling it took considerable time, the creator admits it's more of a concept than a practical ride. His goal was to inspire people and spark new ideas. The transparent bike can be admired as a modern art piece. However, fully functional transparent bikes are already hitting the roads in the United States, blending innovation with utility. This invention challenges the boundaries of design, reminding us how art and engineering can come together in unexpected ways. TY3R Flying Lifesaver. The TY3R Flying Lifesaver is a revolutionary water rescue drone designed to save lives quickly and efficiently. It's the ultimate solution for emergencies on the water. This drone addresses the common challenges of traditional rescue equipment, such as slow response times and limited accuracy. Environmental conditions like strong currents or waves are no longer a barrier to effective rescues. The TY3R is built for speed, precision, and adaptability. With a remote control range of up to 1.1 kilometers, it can reach people in distress even in the most challenging conditions. This makes it an ideal tool for seaguards, rescue organizations, and even private boat or yacht owners. In emergencies, the TY3R allows immediate rescue measures without putting rescuers at risk. Compact, reliable, and innovative, the TY3R Flying Lifesaver is transforming water safety. It's a must-have for anyone looking to enhance rescue capabilities and save lives on the water. Ryvid Outset, the future of electric scramblers. The Ryvid Outset is an electric scrambler that brings a fresh look to the electric bike scene. Priced at $5,995, it's built on the popular Anthem platform, combining the best of urban and off-road riding. The design focuses on agility and versatility. You get an upright riding position for better comfort and control, while the narrower seat and taller handlebars make it perfect for various terrains. Another standout feature is its adjustable foot pegs. This gives you the flexibility to adjust your riding style based on the road ahead. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling rough trails, the Ryvid Outset is designed to handle it all. Its suspension system is another impressive aspect. With a 6.5-inch travel inverted fork in the front and a 5.2-inch travel monoshock in the rear, the bike offers a smooth, cushioned ride even on uneven surfaces. Lazzarini Pyramid. The Lazzarini Pyramid is an innovative floating structure designed by Pierpaolo Lazzarini, blending elements from both Mayan and Japanese temples. The vision behind this project is to create a self-sustaining floating city that requires no external support. Each pyramid stands 10 stories high, rising 30 meters above sea level. It rests on a large floating base measuring 3,000 square meters. To ensure sustainability, the design integrates solar panels, water turbines, and desalination systems, making it an environmentally friendly and efficient structure. The framework is built using fiberglass, carbon, and steel, offering both durability and sustainability. For those interested in experiencing this floating city, the estimated price for the first luxury hotel suite is around £36,900 or about $22,600. Potential guests can also reserve a night in the floating hotel for approximately $877 to $1,200 through a crowdfunding campaign. This project beautifully merges modern technology with ancient architectural styles, creating a one-of-a-kind living experience. The Lazzarini Pyramid aims to redefine sustainable living and urban development, offering a new perspective on how we can live and thrive on water. BoomerBuggy Split. The BoomerBuggy Split, priced at $1,999, is an outstanding mobility solution for those who need portability without compromising performance. Powered by a 300W motor and a 24V 20A lead-acid battery, it offers a smooth and reliable ride. It can easily handle loads of up to 275 pounds. What makes this scooter stand out is its innovative disassembly function. It breaks down into easily transportable pieces, making storage and transportation simple. Its foldable design and lightweight sections further enhance portability, perfect for users on the go. The BoomerBuggy Split also features an LCD display, providing essential information like battery life and trip duration. With a charging time of 6 to 8 hours and a battery lifespan of around 300 cycles, this scooter is practical and user-friendly. In summary, the BoomerBuggy Split is a smart, affordable choice for dependable mobility. It combines portability, performance, and ease of use, making it ideal for daily travel. Akrapovic Full Moon Concept. Introducing the Akrapovic Full Moon Concept, a revolutionary motorcycle that pushes the boundaries of design and functionality. Unveiled at the Bad Salin Custom Bike Show in Germany, this concept bike showcases Akrapovic's commitment to innovation and craftsmanship. The Full Moon Concept is named for its massive 30-inch front wheel, crafted from aluminum and carbon. This unique design resembles a full moon, making a bold statement on the road. Under the hood, the bike features an SNS knucklehead engine with a displacement of 1,524 cubic centimeters. It also includes 2 custom-made Akrapovic exhausts, enhancing both performance and style. One of its standout features is automated steering, which minimizes visible cables for a cleaner look. Additionally, a hydraulic suspension system ensures the bike remains upright when parked, adding to its innovative design. With over 800 hours dedicated to its design and creation, the Akrapovic Full Moon concept sets a new benchmark in the motorcycle industry. Experience the future of motorcycling with this extraordinary machine. Arcimoto Cybertrike. Introducing the Arcimoto Cybertrike, an innovative electric vehicle that blends the features of an e-bike and a tricycle. This mid-level version of Arcimoto's mean lean machine comes equipped with 3-wheel drive, thanks to 3 independent motors. The Cybertrike boasts improved suspension and carbon fiber wheels, enhancing both performance and durability. It uses a drive-by-wire system, where the pedals activate a generator, providing a smooth and efficient ride. Arcimoto plans to launch this exciting vehicle by the end of the year. With a range of over 200 miles, it promises to redefine your travel experience. Get ready to welcome the future with the Arcimoto Cybertrike.